Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford F250 versus F350. Both are formidable heavy-duty trucks, but they cater to slightly different needs. The F250 is an excellent choice for most demanding tasks, offering substantial power and capability. However, the F350 steps up when you require maximum towing and hauling. We'll explore their key distinctions to help you decide which Super Duty is right for your work or adventures. The most significant difference lies in their towing and hauling capabilities. The F250 can conventionally tow up to 22,000 pounds, which is ample for many. However, the F350 truly excels, offering a maximum gooseneck towing capacity of over 38,000 pounds. This increased capacity is also reflected in payload, with the F350 able to carry up to 8,000 pounds in its bed, making it ideal for the heaviest loads. When it comes to power, both the F250 and F350 share impressive engine options. You can choose from a potent 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine, delivering 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque. For those needing maximum pulling power, the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke V8 turbo diesel is available, boasting up to 500 horsepower and an incredible 200 pound-feet of torque. These engines ensure both trucks can handle demanding tasks with ease. When considering cost, the F250 typically has a lower starting price, making it a more budget-friendly option for many. However, if your work demands the absolute highest capacities, the F350's increased capability justifies its higher cost. It's crucial to match the truck to your actual needs to avoid overspending on unused capacity. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.